Oops! Boss Kiko, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Maligayang kaarawan sa iyong kaibigang Franklin. Naway maging masaya, maligaya, at puno ng biyaya ang araw na to para sa iyo, kapatid. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. I love you, tol.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Kiko Perino, Boss Toyo ng Jeddah. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Gang, gang.
Boss Kiko, happy birthday. Stay healthy, boss. More birthdays to come. Ingat lagi, boss. God bless.
Hi, what's up guys? Gusto nga palang batiin ng happy birthday ang nag-iisang Boss Toyo ng Jeddah, Franklin Kiko Perino. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Kiko. Tumatandaan na. Ilan taon ka na? 40. Oh. Good health, tsaka sana lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay mo matupad mo, tsaka magiging ka palagi. Always pray kay Lord palagi sa guidance, tsaka sa provisions. Yun lang, tsaka yung family mo, ingatan mo, mahalin mo yung mga anak mo. Sana yun, matupad ko yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay, tsaka yung mga gusto mo ito pa rin. Ayun, gusto ko lang sabi sa'yo na happy birthday pa. Good luck sa lahat sa buhay mo. Happy ako sa'yo kasi kahit paano mas napalapit ka na kay Lord, tsaka naniniwala ka na kay Lord, tsaka medyo nabawasan na yung mga kalukuhan mo, pero mayabang ka pa rin, tsaka maangas. Yun, sana hindi ka magbago. Salamat sa lahat. Paaraw ako kahit isang singsing lang. Salamat. Happy birthday Kiko. Love you pa.
What's wrong, Kiko? Alam mo bakit blessed itong taong to? Because from the very start, he's very consistent. Alam mo yung friendship niya. You see him or no, he is still the same na tao na nakilala mo from day one up to today. That's why blessed talaga siya. Happy birthday, and may your wishes come true. God bless you, Kiko.
Birthday! Happy birthday, Kiko! And
Enjoy your day, brother. See you after 1 month.
happy birthday, we love you. Bye!
Happy birthday.
Idol Boss Toyo, how are you, good? Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat tayo sa taas kasi pinabot tayo ng ganitong edad. Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo, Idol, happy birthday, and more birthday to come, and more blessed to come. Yun lang, Idol. Maraming salamat. Ingat palagi. Boss Toyo ng Jeddah.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Alam mo naman, nandito lang ako palagi. Ang birthday wish ko sa'yo is you are in good health. Stay strong with your relationship with God and kay Ate Ga. Thank you, Kuya, dahil isa ka sa pinakamabait na taong na nakilala ko. And sana matupad mo lahat ng mga wishes mo dahil alam ko pinagpipray mo palagi to. Thank you, Kuya, and see you soon.
Yo, Kuya Cakes, kumpare, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Sana bigyan pa kayo ng more blessings ng ating Panginoon. Kayo dalawa ni Ate Ga. Salamat sa lahat ng kabaitan. Alam mo na yun. Happy birthday, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Boss Toyo ng Jeddah, Kiko. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Happy birthday. God bless you more. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Manong Kiko, aka Boss Toyo. More birthdays to come and God bless.
Happy birthday po, Kuya Kiko Perino, aka Boss Toyo ng Jeddah. Happy birthday sa'yo, mabuhay ka. Idol, kiss you.
Boss Toyo, happy birthday. Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. God bless you and your family. Good health. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Happy birthday, Boss Kiko! Sana maligaya ka sa birthday mo. sa kapiling mo yung sweetheart mo si Gab.
Ay!
Happy birthday! More birthday to come. And always pugi. Thank you, bye-bye.
Gusto ko isang maligayang pagbati po sa iyong kaarawan. Naway biyayaan pa po kayo ng buong may kapal na mahabang pamumuhay. At bigyan pa po kayo ng malakas na pangangatawan. Kasama na po ang iyong buong pamilya. So ayun, muli, happy birthday po. Enjoy your day, Bustoyo. Salamat sa mabuting pagkakaibigan.
Happy birthday, Tito Kiko. Wishing you endless happiness, good health, and success in everything you do. Stay pogi always and keep spreading good vibes. Lagi po mag-iingat sa basketball. Huwag masyado mapapastress sa laro. Enjoy lagi. Enjoy your special day, Tito. You truly deserve all the love and blessings. Cheers to more birthdays and more 3-pointers.
Happy birthday, Kiko. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Hello Kiko, happy birthday. Sana more birthdays to come, and then salamat, napakabuti mong tao sa inyong dalawa ni Ate Ka. Lalo na yung tinulungan niyo ako dyan sa Jeddah. Soon magkita tayo ulit. Happy birthday. Peace up, yo.
Hey, shout out, Boss Kiko. Happy birthday, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Hey, happy birthday sa'yo. Ito, sana meron pang susunod. Joke lang. Happy birthday. Ingat ka. At sana humaba po ang buhay mo.
Happy birthday, Papa Dwight Perino. Ito, totoo na to. Birthday mo na talaga. More birthdays to come and God bless. Always. Good health. Basketball for more. Happy birthday.
Bustoyo, Kiko, Franklin, happy birthday sa'yo. More birthdays to come and God bless. Magpapayat ka na ulit at pag nagkahabulan hindi na tayo kasi tatlo ni Peg sa pinto. Pag nagkataon, geng.
Happy birthday, Boss Kiko, Idol. Ingat ka dyan palagi, aka Boss Toyo. Idol, happy birthday!
Shoutout pala kay Boss Toyo ng Jeddah. Boss, happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Shoutout Boss Toyo ng Jeddah, Kiko Perino, aka Franklin.
Boss Kiko, happy birthday. More birthday to come. God bless you, man. Cheers.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Patuloy kayong gabayan at bigyan ng kalusugan ng Panginoon. At more blessings sa buong family mo. Ingat palagi. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday, Boss Kiko!
Happy birthday, Boss Toyo!
Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your birthday. Bye-bye.
Dwight, happy birthday. Charis. Happy birthday, Kuya Kiko. Ito talaga legit na birthday mo na. Hindi na yung, birthday ko, kain kayo. Ito talaga, literal na birthday mo na to. Happy birthday. Wish ko para sa'yo is more blessings to come and good health. Marami ka pang mapasaya sa basketball. God bless.
Hello, Boss Kiko. Good day. And today is your birthday. May God bless you, teach and guide you sa araw-araw. At sana lagi kang masaya, lalo na ngayon na birthday mo. At being a true friend, ang masasabi ko lang, isa kang tunay kong kaibigan. Yun, kahit kailan lang tayo nagkakilala, nagkakasama, pero masasabi ko sa sarili ko, isa kang tunay kong kaibigan. Masayahin, basta tunay kitang kaibigan, yun ang nararamdaman ko. Kasi sa totoo lang, napakahirap maghanap ng tunay na kaibigan. Million of friends, napakadali. Pero true friends, napakahirap hanapin nun, Boss Kiko. Pero isa ka doon sa mga itinuturi kong tunay kitang kaibigan. Kahit kailan lang tayo nagkasama, nagkakilala, o sama sa lakad. Pero yun lang ang para sa akin, tunay kitang kaibigan. At sana, tuloy-tuloy ito ang pagiging magkaibigan natin at mapunta ka ng Iloilo, you are my co-Ilonggo in God's permit. At yun ang masasabi ko. At happy birthday, Boss Kiko. Sana gabayan ka ng Panginoon, turuan at i-guide sa araw-araw na routine, lalo-lalo sa trabaho, sa lahat-lahat ng oras. At ang masasabi ko rin, palanggaon mo lang si Inday Angga, Permi. Okay? Bye-bye! Happy birthday, Boss Kiko. Enjoy your birthday. God bless!
Go!
Boss Kiko, happy birthday to you. God help, always happy, and always good playing. Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto
Happy birthday, Tito Kiko. Hope you enjoy your day. Good luck po sa inyong mga susunod na games, and wishing you good health and no injuries on your next games. Happy birthday, Tito!
Happy birthday po, Tito Kiko. Wishing you good health, happiness, and more blessings. Keep balling on and off the court and enjoy your special day.
Boss Toyo ng Jeddah, Kiko Perino, happy birthday daw sa iyo. Sana pabayan pa yung buhay mo ni Allah inshallah.
Boss Kiko, how are you? Good? happy birthday, Boss Kiko. God bless. Ingat po palagi.
Kuya Kiko, happy birthday. Enjoy sa iyong karawan. Thank you sa pagsuporta at pagbigay advice palagi. God bless you po sa inyo ni Atiga. More birthday to come, and ingat. Ingat po palagi, Boss Toyo.
Birthday sa iyo, kaibigan Boss Kiko. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Boss Toyo, maligayang arawan sa'yo. Enjoy lang. Ingat ka palagi, pati na rin sa paglalaro. God bless you always, Boss Toyo.
Boss Kiko, Boss Toyo ng Jeddah, magandang araw. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko, bigyan ka pa ng madaming birthday at mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday, Boss Toyo!
Boss Toyo, happy birthday. More blessing and good health sa iyo, ha. Maging magaling ka sa basketball, ha. Huwag kang mananakit. Love you.
Hello, have a nice day everyone. This is Commissioner Jun Pantaleon of Bipali. I just want to greet Kiko Perino. Bless, happy birthday. More birthdays to come, more blessings and good health. At nawa ay maging blessings ka sa mga tao na nakasalumuha mo. Good luck sa mga games. Boss Toyo ng Jeddah, happy birthday.
Boss Kiko, happy birthday.
Hi pre, cheers to the another year. Wishing you a happy birthday and all the best, especially on your career. Always good health and stay humble. Humble nga ba? Anyway pre, happy birthday.
Para Kiko, happy birthday. Boss Toyo ng Saudi Arabia.
What's up, Boss Kiko? AKA Boss Toyo ng Jeddah. How are you? How's life? Happy birthday. And mag-iingat ka palagi dyan. Tandaan mo, yung tuhod mo. Tumatanda ka na. Tsaka, iwasan mo na yung pambubuli mo. Yun lang yun. Bye-bye. Short.
Happy birthday, Ninong Kiko. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo, Ninong. Ingat kayo palagi ni Ninang. Salamat sa pagtingin at paggabay niyo sa amin palaging mag-asawa. God bless, Ninong Kiko. Ingat.
Boss Kiko, ingat kayo palagi dyan. God bless. Si Boss Kiko.
Happy birthday, Ninong Kiko. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Hello, Ninong. Happy birthday. Another year older, wiser, and more amazing. Thank you for taking care of us and Jack during pandemic days, and for staying in your house with Jude. God bless you always, and we already know that you have given such abundance of blessings with God. So more birthdays to come, candles to blow, and enjoy.
Happy birthday sa aking pinsan, Franklin Perino. Wish you all the best in life, pinsan, and stay healthy. Kayo ni Ate Pangga.
Happy birthday, boss. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ay, kapatid ko mapagmahal, happy birthday nga pala sa'yo. Ingat ka palagi dito sa Saudi, kung nasaan ka man. Happy birthday na Tito Kiko! To you. Ano man daw yan? To you, Ana. Happy birthday to you. Parang iaantok na to.
Hi, Kuis. Happiest birthday to you. God bless. And more shoes to come. Bye.
Happy birthday pa mula sa nag-iisa mong anak na Pogi.
Happy birthday pa. Mag-ingat ka palagi dyan. Love you, miss you.
Happy birthday to the best dad ever. Thank you for your all sacrifices for us.
And thank you for your hard working for us.
Wishing you all the best pa.
We pray for your good health pa.
And happy in everything. We miss you and we love you.
Happy birthday, Nonoy. Franklin Perino. Ang masasabi ko lang sa iyo, Noy, sana sa birthday mo, huwag kang maglasing na grabe. Behave ka lang. Mag-39 ka na. Kaya, happy birthday sa'yo. Ingatan mo siya. Ingatan mo siya. Dahil, di ka na makakakuha ng ganyan na alaga sa'yo. Happy birthday and God bless. Happy birthday to you.
In every storm, you're the light we see. A steady heart, always there for everyone. With laughter bright and a spirit true. Life feels warmer when it's shared with you. Kiko, you're a blessing in our lives. A brother, a friend, in joy and in strife. With faith in God, you lead the way. Kiko, you shine brighter every day. Family first, with a heart so kind. Love and devotion in the way you shine. Jolly laughter lifting every soul. With every smile, you make us whole. Kiko, you're a blessing in our lives. A brother, a friend, in joy and in strife. With faith in God, you lead the way. Kiko, you shine brighter every day. Dedicated, true, reliable and strong. Your faith in the Lord keeps us moving on. You're proof of His love, His promise kept. A friend like you is a gift we won't forget. Kiko, you're a blessing in our lives. A brother, a friend, in joy and